Alright guys, so I got a update for you. We're getting very close to Google My Business Viper coming out, GMB Viper. Google Traffic Viper also, that is out, that is working, but we've got some updates coming out for this in the tool itself on the geolocation. A couple of little bug fixes we found, and the GMB Viper. Now, on the actual Hydra Viper here, the tool that you can run everything on, of course, we do not have the GMB Viper on here just yet. We've got some more updates coming out to this tool. Been working on them, so I'm hoping to have an update out for you guys tomorrow. I would love to see this in here working. But at the moment, you can come in and take a sneak peek. Now, I'm not quite sure why the programmers have this toggle menu button in here, but for some reason they set it up like this, so I'm sure I'll have to ask them to get rid of the menu. But you can come in here and you can see like adding your campaign. Okay, so you add your campaign, you put in your name of your project. So let's say GMB, we'll do HVAC GMB Dallas. That's what we're going to call this one. Your website would be your website on your GMB. So for this, we'll just do www.dallashvac.com. Create up something right there. Business name, let's say Dallas HVAC. Okay. This is where you can put in your phone number. So you do your click to call. So let's do 540 423. Let's say okay, 9963. Almost put my real cell phone number in there. Ah, that was close. That was close, Michael. Almost gave up my cell phone. Would have been getting text messages. Okay, extension, we don't need that. Country, now this is cool. This is actually different than Google Traffic Viper. So in here, they put in all the countries that you can choose. So look at this. So you could say, okay, I want to do El Salvador. And for the city in El Salvador, I want to set up. I mean, that is freaking stupid, easy, simple, cool, all that cool stuff. Okay, so let's just go back over here, put it in. We'll go down to US, United States. We'll do city. Let's do Hillsville. Now, here's something we just came up with. I just thought of this. I'm not sure why the programmers put in city. There should be a state, because there's multiple cities that are named the same. Like, for example, here in Virginia, there's a city called Warrenton, Virginia. And then I believe there's a Warrenton, Illinois. So you see, these are the little bugs we figure out, the little things we find. I need to have the programmers update that. But you can come in here and you can choose drip. If you choose drip, you see it drops out the calendar. So you could say, okay, let's do the dates here. And this is not yet in here. So there should be a little, when you click on date, you should be able to select a calendar. So the calendar is not yet activated in here. I'm sure all of this is going to get another big update here. So that'll definitely be coming. But you can activate it from time to time. You can set it up as evergreen. Evergreen means it will automatically restart once it's done. Number of visitors, you could come in here, choose your time zone if you want to set up time zones to limit times. Number of visitors, you could say, okay, I want to do 500 visitors, and I want to do a radius of 25 miles from that city, which you should be able to select state. Now, on the GMB, that's going to be really important coming out. All of this, hopefully, will be gone. The country, the city, the state, etc. There may be a country code. We may keep the country code in here, but what we're going to add in here is latitude, longitude. And that's very precise. It goes down to 10 meters of your business or place of business that you could set up. So you could say latitude, longitude, and you want to do a radius of, say, 35 miles of that latitude, longitude, and it'll pick up all the local IP addresses and send them in from all the different locations using mobile phones, mobile devices. And then you could hit submit. I'm not sure if it will do it because of that. Let's do HTTP / let's see if it'll allow me to submit it. Okay, let's go to campaigns. Okay, so obviously that's not working yet. That's okay. Like I said, I told all the guys in Platinum, I know that y'all can see this. Please do not add campaigns in here, and you can see why. You can set up show, table all. You can show how many campaigns are in here, add your campaigns, like I said. API key, you don't need to worry about that. And then go back out. So it'll be interesting to see what it looks like once they get it done, but we've got lots of updates coming in. This is going to be a very exciting tool on the GMB, and that's awesome. So let's just go ahead and back it back up out of here. We'll go to log out. Should bring us back over here. Google Traffic Viper. This is smoking awesome. The stats are coming. All of this will be updated on the front end, but we've definitely got the campaign information in here. All that built in. Look at all that good stuff. So good stuff is here. We've got great tools. Rocking and rolling. Of course, Video Traffic Viper's slaying it. Absolutely slaying it, which is awesome. So this is good. Campaign, set up all your campaigns, everything. Channels, views, you can set the playlist, you can do unlisted videos. We've got a few updates to come in here still, like adding categories, which will be awesome, and a couple of additional things. Now, the full calendar here does work. This is what you'll see in the GMB Viper, and this is correct. So, January 10th to January 31st, okay, if you want to do that. So this looks great, this looks beautiful, it's working, it's rocking and rolling. All right, so just want to make this update video for you, let you know that we do have updates coming out still. The stats are working. Of course, GMB Viper will be right here, and then we'll have live stream Viper right here, and we're very close to a release on live stream Viper. So that's smoking. That's really cool. There is something else I was working on up here. I don't see it. I may have taken it down. Let me see if I can find it. Just a second. Let me see if I can find this. Okay, check this action out. Now, this was something I was talking with my programmers about today. just a little thought here. Take a look at this image and this going on over here, and you reply below this video. If you watch this video and you see this, I want you guys to try to guess what we're doing. I'll leave it there. I'll leave a guess for you. All right, guys. I hope you all have a great night, a great weekend. Enjoy the rest of your weekend. It's getting kind of late here, 8:30. But enjoy the rest of your weekend. Keep running those tools, and hopefully we'll have an update in the next couple of days for you. All right, guys. Cheers.